Dear students, our topic is today Excel ranges. Here, ranges is an important part of Excel because it allows you to work with selections of cells. There are four different operations for selection: selecting a cell, selecting multiple cells, selecting column, selecting row. Okay, selecting a cell. This is the selecting a cell. Okay, next one is selecting a column, multiple cells, selecting a multiple cells. This is called as selecting a multiple cells. One more process is there, like control plus select option 1, option 2. This is also selecting cells. Okay, next one is selecting a column. This is called as a selecting column. Okay, alphabets means here A is the one of the column, B is also one of the column, C also one of the column. So next one is selecting a row. I would like to select a fourth column, like numbers indicates row, alphabets indicates columns. So 6, this is also selecting a row. So before having a look at the different operation for selection, we will introduce the name box. Name box. Name box means here the name box shows the reference of which cell or range you have selected. It can also be used to select cells or ranges by typing their values. Okay, right. This is the E8. E8 is the E5. This is all E8 means like E8. This is the name box. E8 is a name box. Okay, it can also be used to selecting cells. Selecting cells. Okay, like H2. H2. Okay, right. This is the name box. Next one, you will learn selecting a cell. First of all, cells are selected by clicking the left mouse button or by navigating to the with the keyboard arrows. It is easy to use the mouse to select cells, like select cell A1, click on it. Select A1, click on it. Okay, so mouse button left, selecting the cells. Cells are selected by the clicking them with the left mouse button or by navigating to them the keyboard arrows also. Okay, right. Next one, selecting multiple cells. Selecting multiple cells. More than one cell can be selected by pressing and holding down control or command and left clicking the cells. Once finished with the selecting, you can left go of control or command. Okay, right. For example, control selection, one more selection, B2 selection. Okay, these are selection process. Control commands, control plus mouse left button clicking, also multiple selecting multiple cells. Like next, we would like to go to selecting a column. Selecting columns are selected by left clicking it. Left clicking it. These columns are selected by left clicking it. This will select all cells in the sheet related to the column, just like a G, E. Okay, total columns are selected like that. Okay, to select a column A, to select a column F, okay, click on the letter A or B or C. Okay, column bar. Next, you would like to go to selecting a row. Rows are selected by left clicking it. This is select all the cells in the sheet related to that row, just like it is number 3 row selected, number 6 one more row selected. Okay, next number 10 one more row selected. This is selecting a row. Rows are selected by left clicking it. This will select all the cells in the sheet related to that row. Okay. Next one is selecting the entire sheet. The entire sheet can be selected by clicking a triangle in the top left corner of the spreadsheet. Okay, this is called entire sheet. Okay, entire sheet. This place, the corner position is called as the entire sheet. This is one. This one is entire sheet. So a above, one above, a left. The triangle shape is called as the entire sheet. Selecting the entire sheet. The entire sheet spreadsheet can be selected by clicking the triangle in the top left corner. Okay, one more time selection. Next. Now whole spreadsheet selected. Selection of ranges. Selection of cell ranges has many use areas and it is one of the most important concepts of Excel. Concepts of Excel and uses are area and it is one of the most important concepts of Excel. Do not think too much. You will learn about this about later. Let's focus on how to select ranges. There are two ways selecting ranges of range of cells: name box and drag to mark range. The easiest way is drag and mark. Let's keep it simple and start here. How to drag and mark a range step by step. Select a cell and left click it and hold the mouse button down. Move your mouse pointer over the range that you want to select it. The range that is marked will turn gray. Let go of the mouse button when you have marked the range. Let's have a look at the example A1, A1 to A10, just like A1 to A10. This is the example. Okay. Next one is you have successfully selected A1 to A10. A1 to A10. Oh, sorry. A1 to A10. Okay. The second way to select a range is to entire range wall is the name of box. The range is set by the first entering the cell reference for the top left corner, then bottom right corner. The range is made using those two coordinates, that is why the cell range is to the reference of two cells like colon. Okay, right. Thank you.